Whipping up the babies, got the pot.
May.
Good morning. We're out a bit earlier today, before the sun's even up. But I mean, that's how you know winter's coming. It's after 6 a.m. and the sun isn't even up yet. Winter is around the corner. Temperature's not that cold yet. I feel like as if I'm just driving on a normal cloudy Cape Town day. But they did predict 55% rain for today and heavy winds. So we'll see how it looks as the day progresses. But as of right now, not too bad. We're just going for a quick ride into town. But yeah, other than that, very, very simple. You can see the sun starting to peek out there through the clouds, or the sun rays, not the sun yet. I think the sun's only set to rise at 7:15 anyway. If I'm correct, it's 6:15 right now. But yeah, it feels different to be up this early. Definitely out of the norm for me. I'm more of a late night owl rather than an early morning. Hey, yeah, it's way too early. I don't even think I'm functioning yet. I probably need to drink a cup of coffee when I get to town. Yeah. Is this normal for you guys? Do you guys wake up this early? Do you wake up later? Tell me, 'cause I've done this a few times now. But each time it's just my body's drained by like 6 p.m. already. I don't know why, but I think I'm gonna get like 12 hours a day out of myself, like properly functioning human. Anything after that, I'm just dead, zombified, tired. Which, I don't know how those people that work like those 12-hour shifts, I just don't know how they do it. A buddy of mine works as a paramedic. Man works 12-hour shifts, 6 to 6. If I had to do that, I'd die. But yeah, it's crazy. I'm still relatively lucky. I do the normal 9 to 5. Unless it's special circumstances like this, then I'm doing the whatever, 6:30 to whatever. But it won't be a full day. It won't be a full till 5 today. Knock off a bit early today. Just get the important shit out the way this morning. And then we can go about the rest of our day. Hopefully we can still salvage the afternoon. Have a little bit more time to ourselves. Spend some time with the wife when I get home. Yeah, it's just... That's the downside of life, eh? You gotta do what you gotta do. I hope it all works out in the end. Oh, I love it. I love flowing cars, flowing traffic. It's beautiful when things move, not a standstill. Let's go. Whoa. Okay. For the taxi move, just cut in right here. Cars on the road, actually. Wasn't expecting that. But I think all these people are trying to avoid the usual 8 o'clock traffic, 7 o'clock traffic. So they're thinking now, I'll get on the road earlier. But not knowing everyone has that same mindset, and then it just creates more traffic at 6 o'clock. Like, this isn't bad, but it's quite still a bit of heavy traffic. But at least it's flowing, it's moving. You know, we like that. We like moving. Standing still, you know, like a shark, you die. Always keep going forward, always keep moving. Progression, that's what we like to see. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go. Fuck, bike sounds good. And I mean, there we are, we're in town, just like that. Quick. I have a theory. I feel like my kilometers are not reading correctly. Not my kilometers per hour, but my trip counter, because I think it might be linked to my speedo. So if my speedo doesn't read correctly, then my kilometer is definitely not going to read correctly. So I have no idea. I'm gonna just keep a close eye on that. Drive a distance that I know is a set kilometers, and then work from there. See if it is accurate or not. But anyway, cheers guys. See you in the next one.